this recording, we will have a closer look into metrics and KPIs and how SAP LeanIX supports these in context of EA governance. The foundation of metrics and KPIs is supported by LeanIX through multiple capabilities. If we start from a broader perspective, we can build governance dashboards in order to always oversee the current situation of our inventory. So we can leverage here standard KPIs, but also custom KPIs. That would also then include historical trend analysis. So we can, for example, compare over weeks or over months, with also the possibility to leverage calculations in order to define more sophisticated KPIs. And then, of course, we have the strong capability of reporting. Yeah, we have different reports. That's one of the core capabilities beside the fact sheets, where we can look from a life cycle perspective, from a risk perspective, cost perspective, data quality, whatever our stakeholders are looking for. This is one of the core capabilities to outline then this information in an easy to consume way. For the sake of a demonstration, I have now created here a demo EA governance dashboard. So you see here on the top, I have two areas where I define or where I have a closer look into the data quality with some KPIs and also the relations quality. So you see one is about the quality seal, that's my leading one, but also I could now look into how well is the functional fit or the technical fit maintained in my application fact sheets. On the right hand side, if we look more from a relations quality, I see here the overall number of applications, 53 in my workspace. And then I also indicate here how many of these applications are linked to business capabilities. I think that's in an okay state with 94%, but I clearly see that the applications with linked to IT components are very little. So maybe I start here an initiative, a survey, for example, to reach out to the stakeholders to get more insights around the usage of IT components. And the third one here, the linkage to the business context, which is the process, is not maintained at all. So that maybe calls for integration with Signavio in context of the integrated tool chain. So this dashboard can give me then these insights from quality point of view. I could also leverage here best practice information, where I see here more in green and yellow colors, how well am I doing? That's another opportunity or possibility to see, okay, how well is my workspace in terms of quality or specific relationships, that at the end our stakeholders feel comfortable and feel that the data is trustworthy. Otherwise, they will not work with LeanIX or come back in order to get some insights from specific reports.